to Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Hippos and penguins launch their poo like rockets. Penguins are so good at it, they can poo shoot long distance. Hippos get all blimmin' arty-farty and add in a fancy tail move when they launch underwater. No one likes to show off. Burning the question. Does undigested sweet corn show up in animal poo too? I've often wondered. Place your bets! Poo Facts. Termite nests are made of poop. They actually choose to live together in a poop house. What's blimmin' wrong with them?
Fart facts.
Dolphins. The good times, fun guys of the underwater world. And they still fart. And while you can't hear them, they pack a terrible flippin' punch in the smell department. Silent and violent. Burning the question. Does corn show up in animal poo too? It does in cow poop. They have to be eating corn, of course. You're righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.